Are you always stressed? Are you one of those who always keep telling that, oh, today was a stressful day, I had a very stressful situation, I'm always stressed, oh my god, what a stress. If you're uttering these words frequently, then this video is for you. Now let's understand, what is this stress? What is this stress about? Why everyone is talking, I am stressed, I am stressful, and how to overcome the stress. What are the myths of stress? What are the facts of stress? And how to be happy? Because the stress is snatching away our happiness. We all want to be happy, right? But we end up becoming stressful. So this video is for you. Keep watching. If you are new to my channel, I am Dr. Poonam Maurya, founder at Inner MBBS. Inner MBBS quickly is your inner hidden doctor. It's the mind, body, breath and soul, which is the source of inner healing within you, within all of us. So let's come back to the point, the stress. Now, what is this stress? The stress usually comes, you will find a lot of definitions, but listen, this is a beautiful explanation I found and I have experienced. So stress is something which is the unrealistic expectation we set from ourselves and from others. Stress is the unrealistic expectation set from ourselves and from others. And when they are not met, because they are unrealistic, we get stressed. So do not have these unrealistic expectations from us and even from others. Now there is a little gray zone in this. It is not that easy, okay? One more way to look at stress is, we are always getting stressed whenever we are having a fear of losing what we are seeking, fear of losing what we are wanting, what we are seeking, or the fear of gaining something which we want to avoid. So the fear of gaining that is to be avoided and fear of losing that we wanted. These are the two situations where we become stressed. Okay, this is a beautiful analogy and this is how human brain works. If we can really understand that what really brings us the stress in our day-to-day lives, we would change the meaning of stress. See, the life which we live is dependent on the focus, on what aspects of our life we are focusing, because many things are happening in our life, right? But our focus constantly, that is because of human evolution, our focus is constantly on what's not working, what's not going well, and we easily keep deleting what's going well in our lives, what's going good in our lives, what somebody has appreciated, what is that good thing which I have got today. No, our brain will only focus today what went wrong, today who scolded me, what was the bad thing that happened today. So just awareness of this fact that how and where is my brain focusing. Just become aware, it's focusing on the negatives, shift the focus to what's good things happening in our lives. Now coming to stress. Now stress, unrealistic expectations. Yes, when we set we are very overwhelmed, okay, we want to do a lot of things in life, expecting a lot from us keeps us under a lot of stressful situation. It makes us feel overwhelmed that when you have a lot of expectations from you, you will not be able to accomplish anything properly, right? And that's what makes us feel sad, frustrated, anxiety, depressed, and keep telling you it was a stressful day, it was a stressful day. So look, life is always a balance of positive and negative. This was there in the previous video as well. So life is nothing without negative. The positive in the life is because of the negative existence. So negativity also has an impact, also has a significant role to play. So there is a balance which is needed for our lives. We need both the negatives and the positives in our life. When we have this understanding, the stressful situation will start to decline and we would have a realistic expectation from ourselves and others. We would understand that, look, not only the good things are going to happen with me, but also sometimes there will be bad things happening, so-called bad things. There are also going to be challenges. There are also going to be people who are not going to accept your perspectives or your way of explanation, right? So do not have that expectation that everybody is going to like your perspective or everybody is going to love you, everybody is going to promote you. No, it may not happen sometimes, And if it doesn't happen, then what's the good thing in that? The good thing is you become aware. Okay, why is it not happening? Is it something lacking in me? Do some areas of improvement does exist, and I need to improve on those parameters. So constant criticism and constant feedback from the near and dear ones will give us an opportunity to know ourselves better and have a scope, a room for improvisation. So this is how, not always trying to look negativity in a bad way. It's coming to teach us. Everything in our life is coming to teach us, right? Everything in our life is coming to make us. Everything in our life is coming to make us better. It's not coming to break you, it's coming to make you. When we have this realization, we would never get stressed, because dear friends, if we don't get problems in life, if we have a life without problems, just imagine, you won't enjoy it. You won't enjoy it. It will become a monotonous life. Everything happy, happy, happy. The happiness will fade away because you will not understand what is happiness. It's only because the challenges are coming and you put your efforts in overcoming the challenges. Your skills show up in that process of overcoming the challenges. You acquire a new skills and you improve yourself to the core. And that's when you celebrate your happiness, when you overcome the challenge. So where is the question of stress? So my dear friends, we all keep saying that there's a lot of stress in lives, right? But sit down, jot down, do some journaling and write down, why am I stressed? What is the exact reason of being stressed? Write it down, because if you keep thinking, it just keeps adding layers, because the problem is never the problem. I'll repeat, the problem is never the problem. The problem is something else. Problem is this, but you're adding the layers of, okay, this will happen, then this will happen, then how will I do this, what will happen to my family, what. So the problem is this, but your problems, you have added so many layers that the problem is not the problem. The layers, the extra layers of negative thinking and doubts, fear, all these layers around the real problem, it becomes the bigger problem. So let's unlayer it. Let's not put these extra layers. Let's look at the problem as a situation. Everything in life is a situation, it's a fact. We make it problem by putting the negative layers, because we immediately go into the future. Oh, if this happens, then oh, how will I do this? What will happen to this? So this negative thinking and going into the future instantly makes us drift away from the real problem. So let's look at the real problem and solve it. Look for solutions. Don't think about problems, think about solutions, and then see how the stress goes away. So stress is a very, I should say, gray zone, and it's a very dynamic thing. Unless we become aware of ourselves, of our soul, our mentality, our attitude, everything will keep you stressed. Even some car honks, it will stress. Phone rings, you will get stressed. Door knocks, you will get stressed. Somebody hits you or by mistake comes across you, you will get stressed. So even minor things can cause stress, because we are not taking care of ourselves. The moment we take care of our souls and our minds, our body in the right way, and that's why inner MBBS comes. Yes, it's all about within. Everything is within us. Whatever we are seeing outside is a reflection of what is inside of us. So if we are calm, if we are peaceful, no amount of external situation can make us stressful, right? So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found some value, please like, share and subscribe if you're a newcomer. Thanks a lot.